we now discuss the solution of a problem from the section coordinate geometry, and the problem is on the condition of tangency to a hyperbola. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 24th June 2022 in the first session. The problem is, let lambda x minus 2y is equal to mu be a tangent to the hyperbola a square x square minus y square b square. Y square is equal to b square. A square x square minus y square is equal to b square. Then lambda by a whole square minus mu by b whole square is equal to, we are given four options. Option A minus 2, option B minus 4, option C 2, option D 4. That is our given question. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given the straight line lambda x minus 2y is equal to mu. Let's write down this in the slope form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. For that we write it as lambda x minus mu is equal to 2y, sending this 2y to the other side and bringing the mu to the left hand side. And divide throughout by 2, then you will get y is equal to lambda by 2 x plus minus mu by 2. It is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is lambda by 2, c is minus mu by 2. Now, we are given the hyperbola a square x square minus y square is equal to b square. Let us write down this equation of the hyperbola in the standard form. For that, divide throughout by b square and write it as x square by, in the denominator, b square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, this is of this form, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. In the place of a square, we have b square by a square. In the place of b square is only there. And now, we recall the condition of tangency for a line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is given by c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. Now, the condition of tangency for this line y is equal to lambda by 2 into x plus minus mu by 2 to be a tangent to this hyperbola x square by b square by a square minus y square by b square. This is not x square, this is y square. Y square by b square is equal to 1 is c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. In our case, c is minus mu by 2, a is b square by a square, m lambda by 2, b square is b square. So, substitute. So, you will get c square minus mu by 2 whole square is equal to a square. A square in the place of a square, b square by a square into m square lambda by 2 whole square minus b square is b square only, b square. So, now we got this one. Now, divide throughout by b square. Write it as mu by 2b whole square minus 1 whole square is plus 1 only. And this b square by a square into 1 by b square. So, b square cancels, a square will remain. That a square, send it inside the square. That will be lambda by 2a whole square minus 1 because you have divided throughout by b square. Now, this will be lambda by 4a square minus mu square by 4b square is equal to 1. and that will imply lambda by a whole square minus mu by b whole square is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. So that is the required answer. And let's look at our options. Our answer 4, that is the value of lambda by a whole square minus mu by b whole square, is to be found out. And the answer what we got is 4. That this answer appears against option D. Therefore, the answer to this question is option D. So that is the discussion of the solution of a problem based on the condition of tangency to a hyperbola. And it's a very simple and straightforward question. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.